Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, we will talk about the G Suite setup tutorial, also known as Google Workspace, because it offers many additional features. There are various work-related tools available, but in this video, we will focus on the mailing system, which allows you to create your business email. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. You'll find many videos related to email marketing here. You'll see many more videos coming soon, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. To get started, simply search for Google Workspace or G Suite in Google. Click on the first result that appears. After clicking, you'll see various options and displays. I'll go directly to the pricing section from here. You can also do this by clicking Get Started. Later, you'll need to select a plan. I'll choose the starter plan. Let me click on Get Started here. Now, enter the name of your business. For the domain, I'm going to use a loose example, so I'll enter a business name here. I've set it to India and selected it here. I entered the first name and then my email ID and clicked Next. It then asked if I already have a domain or if I want to get one now. I already have an old domain on GoDaddy. If you don't have one, select I need one, and you can buy it directly from here as well. After entering this information, I clicked Next, and then this page appeared. Now, let's proceed to the next step. It's asking if you want to use Google Workspace for email and other services. I'll select No Thanks here and proceed as an admin. You can do anything as an admin. For the password, I recommend using a strong password here. I'm using a password generator. I'll change this later, as I'm doing this for the video demonstration. I'll enter it like this. It's not visible here. I'll check the I'm not a robot box, agree to the terms, and continue. After doing this, I arrived here and saw that the account has been created. I clicked on Go to Setup, then Next, and entered the password I had set earlier. I clicked Next and accepted the privacy policy. Next, if there are no users under admin control, you first need to verify your domain. I clicked on Verify here. Since my account is on GoDaddy, it will be verified in 2 minutes because the authorization will be done directly from here. All the necessary records, including the MX record, will be automatically added. I'll show you this process. There are many records. As soon as it's authorized, many records will be added here. I'll show you by refreshing the page after it's verified. The domain has been verified now. You can see that the domain name has been verified. After this, the second step is to create a new user. Let's click on Create. After clicking, you'll be asked to enter a username for this account. This free trial allows you to add up to 10 users for 14 days. You can create a maximum of 10 users during the free trial period. Before the @ symbol, you can put anything like info, admin, sales, or support, whatever you want to use. You can create a user in this way. Your domain will remain the same. The username, which is the part before the @ symbol, can be any name you choose to create a user. So, I'll click Continue here. This one has already been selected. I think it will be used here, and after that, I click on Activate here. I believe nothing was properly connected with this domain earlier. It's happening now. Look here, see how many records have appeared. MX records have been added, and so many TXT records have also been automatically added. As soon as this completes, I'll continue the video. See here, it has been activated. After that, look just below. For now, the second option is not checked because we're going to keep one user by default, as our plan is for one user only. In the free trial, it allows you to do this. You can also add another user from here by entering their name and details. Here, I'll put info. OK, and my default one, which was admin. After doing this, I'll click on Save User here. OK, info. If I save the user, then one more user will be added here. After that, we continue here. So all these 3 steps have been completed. After this, you'll go to Gmail because here, look, the admin email address is now the name of my domain. Look here, it has opened. This next admin is the name of the admin, and a message from the Google team has also arrived here. Now let's send a test email from here. So, I am Vikas Nera. I'll write hello on the subject line and then send it. We'll also check what appears in the received email. That's also a good thing to check. A welcome email has arrived here, and the free trial has been activated, which is for 14 days. Okay, I'll refresh my inbox here. To check the email headers, you need to click on the 3 dots menu and select Show Original. Here it will show SPF Pass, DKIM Pass. It's not showing DMARC here, so we need to add the DMARC record because I think it hasn't been added yet. DMARC is simple. Just copy the DMARC code, and I'll also show you the DMARC code. This is the code. In this, you only need to replace the domain name. I replaced this, copied it, came here, and added a TXT record. I inserted this, set the host to _mark, and made it a custom TXT record so that it gets indexed quickly. I clicked on Save, so it has been saved. Now let me send a test email again. I don't think it will update this quickly, but let me send a test email here. I'll refresh it again. Let me tell you, the default sending limit of G Suite is around 2,000 emails per day. You can't reach that limit directly like this. You'll need to verify it after checking. Then you can increase it. The email has arrived here. If you click on Show Original, you can also use mail-tester.com. It will show you what elements have been completed and what haven't. Right now, I think this record hasn't been updated. It takes some time. Because my TTL, time to live, is set to 600 seconds, it will take that much time to update. As soon as this happens, I'll continue the video. Here, I checked on MX Toolbox for mark lookup. As soon as I checked, it has been indexed here. Then I come here and check it. Let's check it from the Gmail page. Put anything in the subject line and click Send. Along with that, I'll also open mail-tester.com. Let's check there as well to see what score I'm getting. I'll compose a new email here, put anything in the subject line, and click Send. As soon as you send it, you need to click on Check Your Score on mail-tester.com. Let's check here whether the email has arrived or not. The email has come here, and if we click on Show Original, it's not showing the mark pass yet. I think it would take some time. Here our score is coming as 8 out of 10. Look here, in this report, mark, DKIM, and SPF are all showing as passes. All the records are complete, so your setup work has been completed. The spam score is deducting 2 points, okay? That issue will be resolved as soon as you warm up your domain and start sending emails with any email software. Then that problem will not occur. It will be shown here as well. I think it might take some time, but then it will start showing you the mark pass here too. So these were the steps, and you can also use the trial here for 14 days by creating more users. Apart from this, you can also use many more apps that are available here. That's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so because more such videos will keep coming. Thanks for watching.